In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendars in Confluence. Easy setup. By the end, you'll have calendars visible right on your Confluence pages, so your team can track events, deadlines, and timelines without switching tools. First, decide which calendar you're adding. You can display team calendars if your Confluence site has that add-on enabled, or you can embed an external option like Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. Before you start, make sure you have permission to edit the page and to view the calendar you want to show. If you're unsure about access to team calendars, check with your site admin so the option appears for you. If team calendars is available in your workspace, adding it is quick. Open the Confluence page where you want the calendar and click Edit. In the editor, type / then team calendar and select it when it appears. You can also click the Insert Plus icon and search for team calendars. Choose the calendar you want to display, and it will load right on the page. This keeps everything native to Confluence and is great for project timelines and team schedules already managed inside your workspace. Quick note before we continue. I've placed links to Confluence and the Team Calendars add-on, as well as Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar, right at the top of the description so you can access them easily. If you're embedding Google or Outlook instead, start by copying the public share link or embed link from your calendar provider. In Confluence, click Edit on your page, paste that link directly into the editor, and press Enter. If you see a display option, switch it to Embed so the calendar renders inline. Remember, the calendar must be shared appropriately, public or accessible to your organization. Otherwise, viewers may see a permission error or a blank block. Once the calendar is on the page, adjust the layout so it's easy to read. You can resize the calendar block to fit your content, place it inside sections or columns to align it with text or images, and add a clear heading above it, like Project Timeline or Team Events, so people immediately understand what they're looking at. A little structure here goes a long way for clarity. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your team can now view upcoming events directly in Confluence, and any updates to the source calendar will reflect on the page automatically. And that's how you add calendars in Confluence the easy way. It keeps schedules visible, aligned, and right where your team works. Thanks for watching.